Again, good morning student. Welcome back to Math for class 11th. This is today's new topic, section formula. So ratio of section formula m ratio n. A line segment divided by another point in ratio m ratio n. You have 2 point A and B. The A and x1, y1, z1 or B x2, y2, z2 coordinate. The 3D. So C. Divide of AB line segment in the ratio m ratio n. Have two internally divided in internally and externally, two types formula. So C point divided in internally formula, so use this formula, plus, and externally use all minus. Okay, minus C. In this C is shifted in this point, C in this side of inside of AB and outside of AB. This is dotted. Okay. And coordinate point of the centroid. You are already studying centroid coordinate in 10th class. x1, x2 plus x3 upon 3 are same. Okay. And centroid G is the centroid of a triangle. Okay. This is also median. Median intersect to each other. All median intersect at a point is called a centroid of the triangle. Yeah. And xy plane coordinate, xy plane. Not any other, तो other terminate 0 है ना. ये point on x axis, तो x axis तो x, 0 and ये 10th class हो गया. xy plane intersect by xy plane and divide a line segment, तो xy other z not, तो z is 0 and xy but z is 0, yz x0 yz already coordinate of this side. Clear? Write this side plane. Now here formula of a in this 12.3 exercise. Now start question number 1 of exercise 12.3. Find the coordinate point of which of the divide the line segment joining the point A. Let A -2, 3, 5 and B 1, -4 and 6 in the ratio. Number first, internally 2:3, externally 2:3. Okay, ratio same, but internally and externally also. So find, let this point is C. The coordinate of C divided ratio K ratio, sorry, already given though, M and N ratio, M equal to 2 or N equal to 3. Whose formula? Mx2 Nx1 upon M plus N, My2 Ny1 upon M plus N, Nz2 Nz1 upon M plus N. Putting this formula, 2 and x2 1 plus 3 into -2 upon 2 plus 3 and 2 into -4 plus 3 into 3 upon 2 plus 3 and 2 m equal to 2 z6 plus 3 into 5 upon 2 plus 3. This is coordinate internally for internally. Okay, so internally use of plus math plus this plus also. 2 1 are 2 plus -6 upon 5 and this -8 plus 9 upon 5 and 12 plus 15 upon 2 plus 5 will be equal to this -4 upon 5 and 1 upon 5 comma this 15 24 plus 3 27 upon 5. That's your answer. For externally, second point, externally divided in externally, so use minus formula, change in between minus. So this coordinate C 2 into 1 minus 3 into -2 upon 2 minus 3. and next 2 into minus 4 minus 3 into 3 upon 2 minus 3, and 2 multiply 6 minus 3 into 5 upon 2 minus 3 will be equal to 2 minus minus plus 6 upon minus 1, and then next 4 8 minus 9 upon minus 1, and 12 minus 15 upon minus 1. This will be equal to 4 plus 6 minus 8 minus 1 upon minus 1 1, and this 12 minus 50 minus 3 divided by 3. Get your answer. Okay. Next question number 2 are same as question number 3. That question number 3. Find the ratio of the YZ plane. Point by YZ plane on line segment form joining the point A minus 2 4 7 to 3 minus 5 8. Okay, Z plane, this divided by YZ plane. The point this C, so let this point C, so let ratio of C by plane YZ, right? YZ, so will be equal to K ratio 1, and point C, the point C equal to C divided by K ratio 1. So using mx formula, mx2 nx1 upon n plus 1. In this case is also using internally formula. Okay, no external. mz2 plus nz1 upon n plus n formula, and this in K multiply x2 3 plus 1 minus 2 upon K plus 1, and next K into minus 5 plus 1 into 4 upon K plus 1, and next K into 8 plus 1 into 7 upon K plus 1. This C equal to 3K minus 2 upon K plus 1 minus 5K plus 4 upon K plus 1, 8K plus 7 upon K plus 1. This is a point C coordinate, and now find C coordinate point on C by X by plane. The coordinate of C, now this C is plane bisect of a line segment C in YZ plane. The coordinate of YZ plane on C is YZ. So X equal to 0, X equal to 0. So Y comma Z. So find Y and Z value. So Y and Z value find by this value. 0 is the numerical value. The numerical value in this. Okay. So therefore X equal to 3K minus 2 upon K plus 1. Then X equal to 0 equal to 3K minus 2 upon K plus 1, and 3K equal to 2 and K equal to 2 upon 3, which is the internally or positive value. Okay, if any case K equal to minus means externally use formula this positive, but answer will be come to the negative of K value, so that is externally use. Okay, अभी पूछ लेता है कभी क्वेश्चन. Okay, K equal to 2 upon 3, and putting in this formula, this is value also 0. So now X this equal to 0 is already given according to question. Okay, X is this, so this 0, and putting this minus 5 into K equal to 2 upon 3 plus 4 upon 2 upon 3 plus 1, this 8 into 2y3 plus 7 upon 2y3 plus 1. Okay, this 0, 3 and 4, 12 minus plus 12 minus 10 plus 2 upon 3 upon 3 1 ja 3 2 5 by 3. Okay, comma, this is a comma, and this 21 or 16, 21 16 5 and 21 16, 21 and 16 both are positive, and 7 and 37, 37 upon 3 upon 5 by 3. Okay, 3 3 cut, so this 0 2 and by 5, and this 37 by 5. That's your answer. Okay, next, now like question number 4 are similarly 4 important question. Using section formula, you should prove that using section formula, using section formula, this, suppose A and B and C are collinear, right? Collinear, so by section formula C and B is divided equal to coincide this C, or B and C, A and B use this C is coincide, so that using A and B coordinate with section formula. Section means K ratio 1. So then point this, okay, then again ratio, this important question, take a ratio K ratio 1, okay, and A coordinate A 2 minus 3 and 4, and B minus 1 2 and 1, will be C is equal to 0 1 by 3 and 2. So now let K ratio 1 and A and B divide K ratio 1 will be equal to C. So next, P point coordinate by K ratio 1. So K into minus 1 plus 1 into 2 upon K plus 1, and K into 2 plus 1 into minus 3 upon K plus 1, K into 1 plus 1 into 4 upon K plus 1. Okay, this formula. And if minus K plus 2 upon K plus 1, 2K minus 3 upon K plus 1, and K plus 4 upon K plus 1. Okay, find this formula, and C equal to 0, 1 by 3 and 2. Use any one value of P point. This P equal to, if P coincides C, then this same equal to this value. You use this 0, 0, this. The 1 by 3 equal to this Y, and Z equal to this, Z equal to, you can find A, or can putting in this value, other point are also given. It will satisfy of this point C. If so, first important, like taking 0, no numerical, first preference 0 and next other points. So minus K, therefore minus K plus 2 upon K plus 1 will be equal to 0. Okay, then minus K plus 2 equal to 0, minus K equal to minus 2, or then K equal to 2. So K ratio equal to 2 ratio 1, which is internally. This is internally intersect. Okay, this K equal to 2 and putting in on this point P, because point P coincide with point C, so that is putting, this is also 0. Any other point, 2K minus 3, 2 into 2 minus 3 upon 2 plus 1, right, and K plus 4, comma k plus 4, तो 2 plus 4 upon 2 plus 1. This p equal to 0. 4 minus 3 upon 3, or this 6 upon 3 will be equal to 0. This 1 upon 3 and 3 to the 6. This is also C point. This is also C coordinate. Already coincide. That is verified. If coincide, then A, B, C are, therefore point A and B and C are collinear. Or not coincide, not collinear. Collinear. Prove. Okay. Taking new points coincide to other point is called a collinear. Otherwise, non-collinear. Next, last question number 5. Find the coordinate of the point which trisection. You can trisection. So, trisection of line segment P, 4, 2, 6, minus 6, and Q, 0, minus 16, 6 are given. Join the point ratio. Find the coordinate of the trisection. So trisection P and Q given, and this point and this one, 1, 2, 3. So this X and Y. So X and Y, the trisection of line segment already studied in 10th class. Trisection, the coordinate of X find करें and find coordinate Y for ratio of X point coordinate. This point को इतने हो गए total find 1, 2 and 3 part. So X from P and Q, equating from P and Q. So P, X point from P equal to 1 ratio. The ratio first 1 or 2 part either. So 2 and 4y 2 ratio 1. You can write 1 ratio 2, 2 ratio 1. So first coordinate 1 ratio 2 and second coordinate point 2 ratio 1. Use in this formula, or use only internally section formula. Okay, and find other as well as question number 2. Okay, find this formula, question number 2. Thank you.